Hi guys, I'm in the trailer and my plan for this project is, you see behind me, there's this couch. It's a small couch, so it only fits, it can fit 3 people. It definitely cannot fit 4 people. And so my son comes in here with his friends and they want to play games and watch TV, and there's 4 of them. And so ideally they would love to have 4 be able to fit on the couch. So what I decided that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the couch. I'm going to basically build a platform here and sort of build a built-in couch. I'm going to remove this wall right here and extend it so that this cabinet here is going to be gone. So I'm going to leave this top bit as part of it because this is the slide. But this wall can come out so that I can build a platform that's going to go from here all the way along there. I'm going to go to Ikea and I'm going to get a calyx, I think that's how you say it, bookshelf, or storage bin thing, whatever you call it, and put it here. And then put a piece of plywood over top and then just basically build a couch. So here's my issue with this. Number one today is I don't know how I'm going to get the couch out of here. Obviously they had to get the couch in here. Not sure how they did it though, because the couch, the shortest point is 25 inches and the door is 22, maybe 23 inches. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to right now suss out what the situation is with the couch and see if I could figure out a way to... This part was so much work and it killed my arms, and my first goal is to even see if this is possible, because I don't know. Okay. Okay, so there's just no way that this couch is fitting out that door. It's just not going to happen. So I think what I'm going to try and do is see if I can just remove this front panel. I don't know, guys. Just sometimes things are frustrating when you want them to happen and you can't just make it happen. Anyway, I'm feeling a little defeated, but I'll continue. Okay, so I'm trying to take this couch apart. So I'm not sure exactly still how I'm going to do it. So I'm just trying to get a look at how this piece is put together, because I want to take this piece off, because I think if I take this piece off, I'll be able to get it out. But it looks like it's together with staples here and there's screws here. This fabric also is glued together, so it won't come apart. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking a heat gun and I'm trying to detach the glue. See if that works. This was a stupid, ridiculous job, but I finally did it. So you can see this board here. It was here and it was attached this way. And what I did with this one, I just cut it, because this one, it was all glued down here. And it just, this part was so much work and it killed my arms and it was just ridiculous. So I decided to cut this part, because what I can do, we're still deciding if we're going to use this in our house or not. But what I can do is I could just put carpenter's glue on it and then I can reinforce it with 2 metal plates. Yeah. But at least now it's going to be able to get out of the RV, because that was beyond annoying. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do in the project is I want to take this off. So I'm going to cut down here, and it has 2 sort of panels on here, and it has the light here. So I unscrewed the light. And I'll have to undo it, but I'm gonna wait to undo it until I see like what the electrical's like in there. But for now, I'm just gonna cut right in there. to take the electrical out, you see how this was in between the two walls. Basically, you want to unscrew this, but you need to shut off the power first. So I'm going to go shut off the power, and then I'm going to turn the battery off just so there's no current going through. I shut the power off. I shut the battery power off. This doesn't work. It was working, and then I tested this, and it didn't show any power. So basically, what you want to do, come here, is you see those two caps? Mm-hmm. You want to unscrew them.
Me? Like right now?
Yeah, right now. And you can untangle those wires. Yep. There you go. Excellent. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Okay, so yesterday we got done way more than I thought we would, so that's excellent because, I mean, I'm still a day behind because that stupid couch took me forever to get it out of here. But now that it's out, yesterday Hartford and I took down that one closet. And now my plan today is I'm going to put together the Ikea shelving unit that I bought to go there. And then I'm going to go to Home Depot and get plywood to go over top. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to clean up this mess a little bit and get to work. Okay, so I finished putting together the Ikea cabinet, and the idea is I'm going to put it here. I have not tested to see if it fits. My hope is when I measured it, in theory, it should be the same size from here to here, and then I can just put the board across it. So, fingers are crossed, and we will test it out now. How many times do you hope something happens and then it doesn't work out? It's like moving the couch yesterday. I'm so happy, you guys. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, you see this wood piece right here? I'm going to move it up higher because I want to have it in line with this so that the board will fit on top of it. And I'm also going to put one at the back, same thing, to be as high as this. So when I put the plywood on, it will have a support on here. Okay, so here's where I am with the project. I took and put this wiring here in between this panel. I took this panel off, or I pulled it forward a little bit so that I could sort of snake the wires up. And I'm gonna build, in theory, I'm gonna build a shelf in here so it will kind of enclose this wiring. I closed this panel, like cut it and closed it, and I added these support beams for when we put on the plywood. And I think I might just reinforce this one with two going down this way, just because we're gonna have weight on it. So I wanna make sure that it's supported. I'm on day 3 of the project, and it's raining today, which sucks because I have a saw that I use outside, and I can't use it outside when it's raining. But here's what I have to do today. So I need to finish this off because it looks gross like this. And then I'm going to finish this because I need to hide these wires, and just to make it kind of uniform across there. So that's my plan for today. Okay, here's where I am in the project. I have to stop for right now because I have to go teach a class. And then when I come home from class, I'm gonna continue this, but I have to go eat now. Anyway, I had taken this off, and so I now put it back on, and I'm holding it so with carpenter's glue. Here there was a section, so I am also gluing it, and I put some staples in it. I cut out these. This still needs to be cut to fit in here properly. This one I haven't affixed it yet, but it's been cut and fits nicely, so I just have to nail it in. And so you can see that it's like gonna be the shelf all the way across. Yeah, that's it for now. Well, I think I'm finished doing what I need to do for now for it to be functional. This is what the shelf looks like. So the wires are in between here and up here. I finished this off. It's not perfect, but it's fine for what it is. Eventually I want to refinish everything and like paint it and all of that stuff, but that's to come. I am going to go get the mattress, put the mattress on, get the pillows, and put the drawers in there. And I will show you what the final piece looks like. And I am, let me get out here, very happy with the way that it looks. Look at that. It's great. I think the 4 boys will be able to sit there. It actually added more storage because now all of those bins under there, I can put things in. I bought this sort of stool thing so the boys can put their feet up and sit and relax and watch TV if they want. And I think, yeah, I think 4 of them will fit here nicely. So I'm pleased with the project and how it turned out. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to be notified when I do post new videos. I do have some in the works, and maybe more on the trailer as well. Okay, guys, have a great day. Bye.